FAQs about celebrity tomato. As an avid gardener and tomato enthusiast, I often get asked about the celebrity tomato. Whether you're considering growing it in your garden or just curious about its characteristics, I'm here to provide answers to some of the most frequently asked questions about this popular variety. What is a celebrity tomato? The celebrity tomato, Solanum lycopersicum celebrity, is a well-regarded hybrid tomato known for its reliability and versatility. It's a determinate variety, meaning it grows to a certain height and then produces fruit all at once, rather than continuously throughout the growing season. This characteristic makes it ideal for those who prefer a more controlled harvest and easy management. See more 1238 species in genus Solanum at monsteraholic.com. Are celebrity tomatoes determinate or indeterminate? Celebrity tomatoes are determinate. This means they typically reach a certain height, stop growing, and then set fruit. This trait is perfect if you're looking for a tomato that will give you a substantial harvest over a shorter period, as opposed to indeterminate varieties that produce fruit over a longer period. Do celebrity tomatoes taste good? In my experience, celebrity tomatoes have a pleasing taste. They offer a balanced flavor that isn't too tangy or too sweet. This makes them a great choice for fresh eating, salads, and sandwiches. While they might not have the intense flavor of some heirloom varieties, they're still quite enjoyable and versatile. How big do celebrity tomatoes get? Celebrity tomatoes produce medium-sized fruit. On average, you can expect them to be about 6 to 8 ounces in weight. They are a good size for slicing and using in various recipes, but they're not as large as some other varieties like beefsteak or Big Boy. Are celebrity tomatoes good for canning? Yes, celebrity tomatoes are excellent for canning. Their firm texture and balanced flavor make them ideal for preserving sauces, salsas, and soups. If you're looking to stock up on tomatoes for the winter months, this variety is a reliable choice. How far apart to plant celebrity tomatoes? When planting celebrity tomatoes, space them about 18 to 24 inches apart. This spacing allows enough room for their compact growth habit and ensures good air circulation, which helps prevent diseases. Proper spacing is crucial for healthy plants and a bountiful harvest. How to grow celebrity tomatoes? Growing celebrity tomatoes is relatively straightforward. Start by planting seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Transplant the seedlings outdoors once the soil has warmed and after the threat of frost has passed. Ensure they receive full sun and well-drained soil. Regular watering and occasional feeding with a balanced fertilizer will help them thrive. What does a celebrity tomato look like? Celebrity tomatoes are round and smooth, with a bright red color when ripe. They have a uniform shape and are typically free from blemishes. The plant itself is compact and bushy, which makes it well suited for smaller garden spaces. Are celebrity tomatoes blight resistant? One of the advantages of celebrity tomatoes is their resistance to certain diseases, including blight. While no tomato is entirely immune, celebrity tomatoes have been bred to withstand common issues, making them a more resilient choice for many gardeners. Are celebrity tomatoes GMO? No, celebrity tomatoes are not genetically modified organisms, GMO. They are hybrid tomatoes, which means they are a result of crossbreeding different tomato varieties to enhance certain traits, but this does not involve genetic modification. Are celebrity tomatoes heirloom? No, celebrity tomatoes are not heirlooms. They are a hybrid variety, developed for specific traits like disease resistance and compact growth. Heirloom tomatoes are typically open-pollinated and have a history of being passed down through generations. Can you grow celebrity tomatoes in a pot? Yes, you can grow celebrity tomatoes in a pot. Their determinate nature makes them well suited for container gardening. Just ensure the pot is large enough, at least 12 inches deep, and provide adequate support as the plant grows. Celebrity tomato versus Better Boy. Celebrity tomatoes and Better Boy tomatoes both offer great flavors and are disease resistant. However, Better Boy is an indeterminate variety, producing fruit throughout the season, while Celebrity is determinate and provides a more concentrated harvest. Better Boy typically produces larger fruit and has a more sprawling growth habit. Celebrity tomato versus beefsteak. Beefsteak tomatoes are known for their large size and rich flavor, making them ideal for slicing. Celebrity tomatoes are smaller, more uniform, and have a more compact growth habit. While beefsteak tomatoes have a robust flavor, Celebrity offers a reliable and consistent taste. Celebrity tomato versus Big Boy. Big Boy tomatoes are larger and indeterminate, meaning they produce fruit throughout the growing season. Celebrity tomatoes are determinate with medium-sized fruit. Big Boy is known for its large size and slightly tangy flavor, while Celebrity is appreciated for its balanced taste and ease of growing. Celebrity tomato versus Early Girl. Early Girl tomatoes are known for their early harvest and continuous fruit production. Celebrity tomatoes have a more concentrated harvest and are slightly larger in size. Early Girl is ideal if you want an early and ongoing yield, while Celebrity is great for a shorter, more manageable harvest. How to care for Celebrity tomatoes. Care for Celebrity tomatoes involves regular watering, ensuring they have enough sunlight, and providing support as they grow. Monitor for pests and diseases, and consider using mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Pruning is minimal but can help improve air circulation. What to plant with Celebrity tomatoes? Companion plants for Celebrity tomatoes include basil, which can enhance their flavor and deter pests, and marigolds, which help repel nematodes. Avoid planting tomatoes near potatoes or peppers to reduce the risk of disease. Common problems with Celebrity tomatoes. Common issues with Celebrity tomatoes include blossom end rot, which is often due to inconsistent watering or calcium deficiency, and early blight, which can be managed with proper spacing and fungicides. Regular monitoring and proper care can help mitigate these problems. Overall, Celebrity tomatoes are a fantastic choice for gardeners looking for a reliable, flavorful tomato that performs well in various conditions. Their compact size and disease resistance make them a go-to for many, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out.